In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your CapCut ID quickly and easily on Windows or Mac. If you've ever needed your CapCut ID for sharing, account support, or just to identify your profile, this is the fastest way to locate it without guessing. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and launch CapCut on your Windows PC or Mac. Once the app opens, make sure you're on the main home screen. If you're not signed in yet, look to the top left corner and click Sign In. CapCut gives you a few different ways to log in, so you can use TikTok, Google, or even scan the QR code with your phone. Just choose the method that works best for you and sign into the account that contains the ID you want to find. Once you're signed in, take a look at the very top left corner of the CapCut home menu. You should see your profile icon or your name displayed there. This is the area you want to click. Go ahead and select your profile, and CapCut will open a small window or profile page with your account information. Now here's the important part. Your CapCut ID will appear directly beneath your profile display name. It's usually a mix of letters and numbers, and this is the unique ID tied to your account. If you need to copy it, just highlight it and copy it exactly as shown. Make sure you don't confuse it with your display name, because the ID is the specific account identifier. If you're not seeing it right away, double check that you're signed into the correct account and that you clicked your profile area from the top left corner. In most cases, that's all it takes. CapCut places the ID right under your name so you can find it in just a few seconds. So to quickly recap, open CapCut, sign in if needed, click your profile in the top left corner, and then look just beneath your display name to find your CapCut ID. That's the simplest method and works on both Windows and Mac. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips and software how-tos, and I'll see you in the next video.